besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Tasia Majel. Today we have Tinashe hair. It is a 22-inch body wave HD 13x4 bunta wig. Yup, get into it. Y'all, this is what the wig looked like on the mannequin head. I didn't like the natural color because it had a lot of blonde pieces in it, but I didn't end up dyeing it. This is how the knots looked before bleaching it. And you got a whole lot of lace to work with. I did end up speeding this process up, so if you want a detailed video, I'll link it down below. I couldn't find my hot comb, so I got some hairspray, my round brush, and the blow dryer, and just brushed it back. I'm really just putting a lot of the clips together. Why the mannequin head kept moving? You know those Bryce dolls that we used to have? Well, I used to have, but it kept moving. Like I almost got my belt. Now I'm curling the hair. I always start from the bottom and work my way up to the top. I go in with a thermal protectant by Kenra, then I use a misting shining spray by Kenra, and after that I use a Sebastian holding spray. Everything will be down below, so check that out. But yeah, I sped this process up so you can watch me in my bonnet curl this wig. Or you can skip to the install, whatever you want to do.
Then dip me underway. You can feel my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
This is how it looked all curled. It was nice, shiny, bouncy. It was real cute. Now we are here for the install. I cut the ear tabs off camera. And this is how long the wig was. The wig was really long. It said it was 22 inches, but it went all the way down to my little booty. I was like, maybe it's a little longer than 22 inches, but I ain't gonna say nothing. Because I'm 5'8", and normally 22 inches stops mid-back. But this, like I say, it was all the way in my butt. But anyway, I used Boho Active. I used 3 layers. I got my blow dryer and I dried it clear. And then I applied the lace on my forehead, child. That's about it. while I was recording, the camera had just died, so I couldn't get the rest of the parts. But that's me cutting the lace, and boom, this is it finished. I didn't really have to do much but do the sideburns and call it a day, y'all. I did like this hair. I do really like this hair. I'm actually gonna wear it all weekend, all week, because it was really good. It's cute, because once you curl it, you could just brush it out and keep it going, keep your day going. But yeah, I really like this hair. It was long, it was nice, it was shiny. Go ahead and get you this wig if you want it. But bye, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.